All right, this is week 1, lesson 2. So I'm going to follow the directions that are over here on the left-hand side. Again, if you've downloaded these and printed them out, then it's pretty easy for you to do along with me. So it says to draw any triangle ABC. Okay, so again, this is completely your choice. Pick 3 points and make a triangle. Okay, don't forget to label your vertices. I apologize for my bad drawing, but here we go. A, B, C. Okay, next. It says draw a vector AB. Okay, so I have to draw it from this direction. So let me figure out how I did this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so here's vector AB. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. That's vector AB. They want me to add that to vector BC, which looks like back from my original. I'm up 1 and over 3. Up 1 over 3. All right. And again, from that last lesson, your brand new vector is from the original tail to the new head. Okay, so this is my brand new vector, which I need to label. I'm going to label this as AB plus AC, or probably the better way to name that is vector AC. And I just screwed that up. That's a B. There we go. That's a B. Okay. So I've labeled the new vector. Copy the new vector somewhere else. Okay, so over 1 and up 1, 2, 3, 4. Over 1, up 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's my brand new vector, which I am calling AC. And then it's saying add to that CA. Okay, now keep in mind, when you're adding vectors, you have to start at it goes from head to tail. So I'm going to put my tail here and I'm going to draw it the other direction. And I end up with literally, and I'm going to see if I can do it in a different color that'll show up. I end up with that green dot, okay, which is the 0 vector. Okay, a dot is a vector that has no magnitude or direction. Okay, so, but the cool part is here. The definition of a triangle in vector form is if you add all the vectors of a triangle in order, okay, whether you do it clockwise or counterclockwise, that's still clockwise, here we go, counterclockwise, the 0 vector is the result.